guys! Welcome back to my another video. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Today, I'm going to make a ship in origami. Let's get started. First, start with the back side up. Fold horizontally in half. Now, fold this in half. Make it a square. Fold one layer of paper to the bottom middle point. Now, flip the model over and fold these 3 layers to the bottom middle point. Now, make this to a diamond. Now, open this gently. Here is the ship. There's a ship! It's kind of like a puppet. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next origami video. Bye!